setup and plan, and this is EU. First thing first is always market structure. You can understand that market structure, external market structure, the price is moving to the downside, and this was our last break of structure to the downside, right? It was here, the last break of structure to the downside. And this is now our trading range for external market structure. You have our swing high here. So we have our first supply zone, which is here. The last sell to buy that led to that break of structure. And what's our plan from here? You can still understand that the price is not yet back to our premium zone. The premium zone is around here. And we have plenty of order blocks. We have this one here. We have also this one here. Sell order block. Then we have this order block also. And we have this 30 minutes order block here. The 15 minutes order block. Then we just have to wait for the price to come back here. Then we look for buy confirmation, sell confirmation, sorry. Then we target this next swing low. Then scenario number 2, you're gonna wait for the price also to come here. If the price go up to this side, we're gonna wait for it to tap in. Then we wait for the market structure shift and then sell confirmation. Then we continue selling it to the downside, right? Then for GBP, JPY, if you go back and watch our previous setup and plan video, you understand. We had our last break of structure from there, then we had a change of character from here. Then you had a break of structure, a change of character to the upside, external market structure, and you understand that we had our buy breaker block, which is around here. Buy breaker block, then the price of course broke and retested. We had that broke, then it retested, then continued to the upside. Super simple. I'll be sharing this outlook plan. I shared it, but I'm going to be sharing the trade recap for this trade. And now this. Then you have our continuation. Yeah. Is it? Let me see. Is it a valid pullback? No, it's not. But have our internal break of structure to the upside. So what's our plan? Our plan is very simple. We have our order block, but if you look closely with this order block, we have plenty of liquidity to the downside. So I'll press my order block up to here. Then what I want to see the price to come back, tap into this order block, clear this liquidity to the downside. Then you get that market structure shift, and then you continue up. That will be scenario number 1. Then scenario number 2, I'll wait for the price to this. If the price respect this order block, then I'll just wait for the break, then a retest. This is a bullish order block. Let me mark it out. This is a bullish order block. That will be scenario number 1. Then scenario number 2. Then the UJ is very simple. First thing first is always market structure, and you understand that this was our last swing high, this is our last swing low, and then the price continued from here From here, we had our change of character to the upside from there, and from here you can see we had our last change of character to the downside, and then from here you had our continuation break of structure to the upside continuation. And though from there we have our first order block, which is here. You can mark it out, our last sell to buy, and this is our first order block. And my plan is very simple. I'm going to wait for the price to come back here, then I'll be looking for buy confirmations from here, then targeting the next swing high. Although we still have more order blocks like this order block and this extreme order block here down to the downside. I can also mark it out, the extreme order block, which is here. But right now you're focusing on one order block, which is this one. Okay, that's it guys, and peace out. Sorry, for gold, for gold everything is very simple. You can understand that the price is moving to the downside, the last break of structure to the downside, which is here, last break of structure to the downside. Then the price came, tapped into this order block, the bullish order block, sorry, the bearish order block. Then you got our shift from here, and then a continuation shift from here. As you can see it, you get a continuation shift from here. This is a change of character of the downside internal market structure. And then you can go down 15 minutes to our internal market structure. We had our break of structure to the downside. Break of structure to the downside. Then from here, we had our order, we have our supply zone, which is here. Have our supply zone, which is here. But my plan is very simple. I'm not planning to sell this. I'm waiting for the price to disrespect this order block, then I wait for that, then a continuation to the upside. That's my plan, and automatically this will turn into our bullish breaker block. Okay, that's it guys, peace out. I'll be updating you towards new session.